Okay, I was complaining the other day about the bedhead clock that the guy bought for $65. I went out today and got this grandfather clock, and I paid $50 for it. It's a Ridgeway moon dial, but that's not the clock I want to show you. This is the clock I want to show you. This is an after the hunter's cuckoo clock that is almost 36 inches tall if it had the antlers on it, and it is 32 inches wide. Here's the pendulum. Here's the ears that go to the deer. The ear that's broken off on the rabbit, it's got mildew on it. I want to say it's 32 inches wide. Here's the movement. I see an AF on it. I'm going to have to do some more research on the movement. It looks like it's going to need some bushings. The cuckoo itself has got articulated wings. But this is the biggest cuckoo clock that I own, and I only paid $60 for the clock. Here's the gong. Believe it or not, this clock was listed for over a week for $75 before I noticed it at wee hours of the morning. Let me turn it back over so I can show you the carvings. Sorry, the clock is 20 inches wide, and without the topper on it, it's 29 inches tall. But look at these carvings. Look at the mouthpiece on the horn. The detail in the bags, and in the rabbit, and in the pheasant. This thing is beautiful, and I got extremely lucky. I will post a picture of the ad next. The guy already deleted the listing on Marketplace, but here you can see where he says he just reduced it from $100 to $60, and there's several people, and I can no longer view it. I could show you where I saved his pictures onto my computer. This was a picture of the clock. It didn't give a size. It didn't show a picture of the movement. And so I took a chance on it, and I'm extremely happy. I told him I'd want to see the movement, but as soon as I saw how big the clock was, I didn't care about the movement anymore. I did, but I didn't. I'm guessing that this clock would sell for way over $1,000, and that's just a guess. But I hope y'all like this video, and God bless.